Here, that's an encrypted crypto wallet seed that nobody but me can translate into its original seed. And you know the beauty of this? It only takes you 12 subtraction to get it back. No fancy computer, complex formula, nothing. A piece of paper and a pen can be enough. Meaning that you can share this encrypted wallet seed to anybody without the need to specifically care about their honesty and recover it with a bit of time whenever you need it. You are on Chrono Bitcoin, I'm Cyril, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how I came from this seed to this result and cover the pro and con of this technique. If you don't know what the BIP39 word list, I recommend that you watch the previous video I made about calculating your seed by hand, where I covered the structure of a seed. So without further ado, let's begin. To encrypt our seed, we need a key, a kind of password, and it needs to be 36 characters long. And when you know that your seed is only 12 words, what would you bother to try to remember a 36 long password instead of 12 words? Well, 36 characters long is kind of easy if you are able to create a small sentence. It can have much more meaning for you rather than 12 random words. We need something that can stick in your head easily and forever. And in fact, you can deliberately, at your own risk, choose a shorter password, and I will show you how in a minute. In my case, I'm gonna use the proverb, good things come to those who wait, but it is a 34 char long password. So I will add space G at the end, like if the password was repeating itself. After that, we are going to build a table from the alphabet and associate a number between 0 and 9 to each letter in the right order, giving something like that. As you can see, I've added the space at the end of the alphabet for a value of 6. Now we translate each letter of our password by their corresponding digit, giving the following result with our good old proverb worthy of the hodler. The next step is to break down this new number into 3 digits numbers. Perfect, we are almost ready. So now we take the 12 word seed we want to encrypt and match their respective position in the BIP39 word list that you can find in the description down below. It gives us this list, to which we will respectively add every 3-digit numbers previously generated with our password converted into numbers. And now, as you can see, the new list of numbers gives us the original encrypted seed that I showed you. Doing so with your own seed, and you can share it to anybody with, depending on the quality of the password you choose, a pretty good confidence. For those who just need a basic password, you can simply choose a smaller one that you will repeat in order to have enough available characters. Let's say your password is just the word Bitcoin, aka the worst password you could ever end up with. You could end up with something similar, the repeated Bitcoin word, its equivalent in digital version, and the separation its 3 digits. With this technique, since each 3 digits number can be between 0 and 999, we have a decent amount of probability. I think it roughly reduces the entropy of your seed down to 110 bits, which was initially at 128 bits. In other words, going from 3.4 times 10 to the 38th power to 1.2 times 10 to the 33rd power. But there is weaknesses that hurt these probabilities. Since it is not possible for a seed to have a number above 2047 and below 0, and because our encryption process adds up to 1000, it removes part of its strength for each slot above 2047 or below 1000, as we can see in our case here with 2379. 2379 has only 669 possible solutions because we know the number on this slot can only be above 331. In the worst case scenario, where all slots are well above 2047 or well below 1000, it would reduce the entropy down to something like 100 bits, which is still 10 to the 30th power of different solutions, nothing to be shy about. These are obvious estimations, and if somebody knows how to exactly calculate them, I would be glad to hear from you. So you now have everything in your hand to practice. Take the seed you've just encrypted and revert the process back by subtracting your password to the encrypted seed to ensure you are able to recover it. This method of encryption is heavily inspired by the Wegener square method. But I wanted something that needs even less preparation. The only requirement is the access to a BIP39 list, a pen and a piece of paper. That's it! I hope you enjoyed today's video and maybe you will rightfully encrypt the seeds that you hid in the watch box inside your bedroom drawer. I've provided some useful links down below if you want to know more about some of what we talked today. In the meantime, if you hand rip on the like and subscribe button, we never know. Until next time, be wise, be careful, be crypto.